Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
So now Pakistan want to destroy India. So what he will do? Anyone? Pakistan will see that the youth of India should be finished. And what is the easiest way to finish the youth? Yes. So easiest way to finish the youth is alcohol, tobacco and drugs. Because once we are into this bad habit, the youth is finished. The thin border, right, wrong, fall in trouble, not fall in trouble. Basic principle is that we should not fall prey for this drugs so that next generation we should become healthy like you.